Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing lolsurprise, and here it comes. And these, we have 50 surprises. And also, look, it says mix and match my hair. So she has 3 hairstyles here. Look. Dun, dun, dun. Real hairstyle. And look, there's also in the back says something here. Bottle, this thingy. These are going to make real hair growth. Hairbrush, accessory, outfit, and shoes. So let's start opening. Open it. Oh wait. Zip. Let me zip it at the bottom. And looks like we have something here. Dress plus curtain plus. Okay. What is this? Fashion show ready. Yes! Now put it over here. Put on the side. Now I need to find. Look at all these hairstyles! Now I need to take this zipper off. Yeah. Ha! Take it off at the bottom like what I did. No! Now I'm never gonna try to open. Wait, what? So guys, I actually found this thing, but I don't know how to open it. So I opened it. Yeah! Look at all of this! Look at all these bags! Blind bags. What's in here? Hair. Oh. Look at all these hairs. Oh my god. So guys, we got, look at this. Wait a minute. We have this hair, do we? Or this hair? Maybe we got these both? Maybe there's 2 LOLs. Now, look in here. Wow. So, these are basically the ones in the back. So now we need to find out what do they look like. But look at this. I love this so much. Now let's start opening this thing, okay? Oh my god! I opened it! Look at her. She's so beautiful. Is she a hair color? Please be one. Please be one. She superstar. She changed colors. Oh my god! Let's put her hair on. Wait a minute. You actually can take off her hair. Oh, look at this. Look at this. She can totally be a rock pop star. Wait, I can't even take it on. Oh, let me put it on. Let me put you on. Doop. Whoop. Wait a minute. Do I need to put this on first, then that one? Let's just find out how to do this. Ha. I did it. Oh my god, look how beautiful she is. Now let's open this. So guys, we have a lot of surprises here. So we gotta find out what else is in here. pink hairstyle. Yay! We found it. Now we need to put this trash over here. Now gotta put. Open! What the? Beautiful shoes. Okay, left. Wait, I need to find her outfit first. Look at this, beautiful. This one like can put it on her hair. Like, look at this. Look at all this. Is this the hair changer? Is this the hair changer? Ooh, like it. Her beautiful outfit. It's her beautiful outfit. Take it off. Take it off. Oh, nice. This is her beautiful outfit. Here. Look at all this. Isn't it beautiful? Now I need to put it on. Yeah. And put it on. She actually's got real hair. I love this so much. Oh no. Wow, now I need to put this trash over there. I wonder what's inside this one. But first, I need to put the clothes on. Ooh, this is where this is where she's gonna put it on. Ha! Is she a mermaid? I think she is, cause she kind of looks like one. Like what? What? Oh, I need to put this on, maybe. Hey, then put on the pants. Do they have to do that? Hey, I did it. Now I need to put the pants on, maybe. I did it. I did it. Look at her beautiful outfit. Now I need to put on the shoes. Look how beautiful she is. Isn't she beautiful? No. How dare you say that about? Okay, now I need to open this one. I wonder what's inside here. What the? Is this a bracelet? It's a bracelet. It's a bracelet. Put it on, please. Maybe she's a pop star. You guys, I love this so much. Just wait, there's something else in here. Oh, yes. Open up. Hairbrush! Found a hairbrush to comb her hair. I like it when I have this stuff. Is this where we put stuff in here? Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna put it in here. One surprise. Let's see what else is in here. It's not opening. Oh, wait, now it's opening. Her beautiful bottle. Woo. I like it when she wears this one. Hey. Oh my God! I took off her head. This is so funny. Put on. Is it beautiful, guys? Look how beautiful she is with her hair, but look. There's the purple one, but it's okay when it's like this. Now, I want to see her change color. Put this off. Need to take everything off and her hair because I don't want her to be wet. So guys, basically I put this on. Look at it. Look! Dun, dun, dun. Okay guys, we got hot and cold water. Let's see what happens when we put her inside cold and hot. Let's try hot. It's not doing anything. Maybe her face? No? Okay. Okay guys, look at this! It's on my head. Guys, I love this so much. I cannot wait until this will never disappear. Ta-da! That's all I have for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Awesome day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.